Hey Alexa, start the robo.
Presenting the new Eureka Forbes Robo Vacuum Mop Pro vacuum cleaner. Once turned on, the Robo will start cleaning in auto mode. The Robo is designed to clean all surfaces, whether wooden, marble or carpet. Thanks to its powerful suction, it can easily clean the tiniest dust particles. The Robo effortlessly cleans even the most challenging spots. It easily cleans the dust and dirt accumulated in the corners of the house. In spiral mode, the vacuum cleaner operates in a circular motion to thoroughly clean a designated area. With a full charge, the Robo can clean continuously for up to 100 minutes. To tackle spills and daily mopping, wet mopping is the ideal choice. Just remove the water tank, add water and attach the microfiber cloth to get started. With its microfiber cloth, cleaning up wet spills, tough stains and even sauce or wine is just a breeze. Through the app, you can remotely operate the Robo from any location, even when you're not at home. The Robo's anti-fall sensor prevents it from falling from a higher place and also prevents it from colliding with any other object. If the battery is low, the Robo automatically returns to the charging dock. Always keep the auto dock station in such a place where there are no obstacles within its docking radius. The scheduling feature allows you to set up automated cleaning for a time that's convenient for you. Bring home the new Eureka Forbes Robo Vacuum Mop Pro vacuum cleaner and make time for the things you love.
This is Daniel. He's a chill dude. Daniel doesn't pay much attention to the floor. He doesn't care about it at all because he has a professional butler to create a clean home environment. Meet your best home cleaning friend, DreamyBot 59 Pro, the new entry-level cleaning robot. With its 2,500 pascals powerful suction and 570 milliliters large dust box, it'll keep your place spotless. Enjoy delegating your house cleaning chores to an extra long main brush and floating V-shaped brush. The precise Lindar navigation is like an enthusiastic explorer with the developed sense of home cleaning. Although this little guy is small, he's always patient, guaranteeing high-quality cleaning up to 160 meters or 1,722 square feet on just one charge. Isn't that awesome? Our little friend keeps cleaning from corner to corner with a 3,200 milliampere hours battery. He automatically recharges before continuing his cleaning mission. A 237 milliliters water tank guarantees a full moist pad for your various cleaning needs. As we all know, Daniel is a chill dude. That's why we created a Dreamy Home app that will become Daniel's true friend. It can schedule cleaning sessions, segment rooms, and set up no-go zones. It's even more on the plate. Customize the cleaning mode and suction power to match your unique needs using the Dreamy Home app simply from lying on the couch.
Hey, Siri, return to charge.
Just say a word and our friend will automatically start or stop cleaning. Ready to unlock the secrets of Daniel's home cleaning friend? DreamyBot 59 Pro, designed for making house cleaning easier.